adding winning keywords from the search report that you might not have been bidding on. So let's see here. We're going to comb through what converted for us. And if it says added, it's already in the campaign. So Annapolis junk removal. That should go in Annapolis ad group though. So some of these you don't want to add into the ad groups it's suggesting that the lead came from. Like all the geo stuff in DC, Bernie, Maryland. All right, so here's a good one. Small junk removal near me. That brought us a lead for 17 bucks. Get rid of junk. I'll add that. Junk removal services. I'll add that. $25 lead. Nice and cheap. Oop, I still got my other ones clicked here. You're just going to comb through and you're going to add keywords that converted for you that you're not currently going after. And I would only add the highest intent ones, guys. You can see a bunch of them up there that converted are like the trash pickup stuff. So I'm not going to add those, all right? Because we just saw we just added a bunch of those to the negative list. So I'm not going to go after them, even though they did turn leads and calls for us. I'm still not adding them. I'm only adding the highest intent search phrases from the search term report. Okay.